Jaime, we get sources claiming Rivera. You're making fun of me, aren't you? I feel like Diego is becoming the new Jack from Unboxed Therapy. What do you think, Diego? Your t-shirt is 2 sizes too small. Dude, I wish I could say that exact same thing about my belly. That's right, it's that time of the week. I am Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow. Let's go through your comments, the Pocketnow Daily Recap for last week. So on that Monday, Android Pie went official. I was just testing it out and I asked you the questions. What do you think? Do you like it or not? We had 413 comments. It's slightly weird now that apple pie is my favorite pie. Oh, definitely. I don't like the name that Google chose for it, but anyways. I think I would jump ship to the iPhone. That way I will be on the same OS as everybody else. 12% of Androids on Oreo, and I'm not one of them. If the Note 9 launches with Pie, I'll consider it. Otherwise, it's iPhone, here I come. That is one of the saddest parts about Android. Yes, we saw the stats. Terrible, 12% adoption of Oreo. Now we had Pie. And sadly, the Galaxy Note 9 didn't launch with Pie. I can't wait to buy the new Note 9 so that I can get Android Pie in 2020. You know what? I'm gonna have to defend Samsung on this one ever so slightly. The company has gotten better. I noticed that the Note 8 got the update a lot earlier than previous devices did, so we'll see. Then on Tuesday, I asked you about the Red Hydrogen 1 pre-orders had begun. The phone was not cheap. Definitely. And we didn't have any word on accessories. I asked you what you thought. 272 comments. I'm sorry, but the Red Hydrogen 1 is dead on arrival, especially with those last year specifications with the crazy price tag. I hope the camera makes it worth it. You know, I wouldn't say dead on arrival. I do understand that this will be a niche product. The thing about it is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 does bring significant better photography than the 835 just from the chipset in itself, so I do agree with you on the spec side. The Hydrogen 1 costs way too much. It looks like a very interesting phone, but I honestly wouldn't pay over $1,000 for any phone. Dude, I seriously don't blame you. I feel $1,000 is too much for any device. I do understand, again, this device has a purpose. Yeah, but it's a lot of money without accessories on its own. Launching such an expensive product with last year's specifications, they should take page out of Essential. I mean, the PH1 already has Android Pie. It does have Android Pie, but we don't even know how long that phone will be supported, particularly with how things develop, so I do get your point. Then on Wednesday, we talked about the Google Pixel 3. We had some leaks. We saw accessories in the box. I asked you what you thought about the phone. We had 320 comments. Seriously, Google, that notch is deeper than the Pacific Ocean. All right, I can't laugh right now because I'm really sick with allergies. Oh my god, that was a good one. Pray for these photos being a prank. Most definitely. I'm hoping that they are because, well, we heard that it's a possibility that Google is just, you know, pulling our hair with this one, that apparently there is really another phone, but we'll see. Screw Pixel 3 XL, let's get the regular Pixel 3. You know, I bought the regular Pixel in the first generation because both phones were just as ugly. It could be that I end up doing the same thing this year, we'll see. Then on Thursday, it was Samsung Galaxy Note 9 day. We covered Unpacked, we had a lot of videos. Pocketnow Daily went live really late, but I asked you what you thought about everything that was announced. We had 609 comments. Very nice phone, good to see the headphone jack and no notch. Would be great to do a comparison with the new iPhone and the new Google Pixel phone. Definitely, that coverage is coming. I, so far, will tell you I am really liking that Note 9, so I feel the comparisons will fare very interestingly. I think interestingly is a word, right? Even though this phone is a beast, I'm still going to wait for the S10 Plus Beyond too. You know, there are significant rumors that the S10 will be something completely different to what we currently see. This is actually probably the first time that I really love a Galaxy Note so quickly. We'll see. It's definitely a node made to perfection, but the perfection costs you more than $1,000. You could buy an LED TV or a MacBook or a Surface Book in that price. Come on, Sammy. You know, I would totally agree with you if you didn't have companies like Apple pushing a phone with a lot less features for the same price. I feel that companies are they're going preposterous with the price tag. We see OnePlus just completely challenging that and winning, so we'll see. And then finally, Friday, the hottest news were about the Google Pixel 3 XL. There were rumors that there were 3 cameras on that phone. I asked you, why do you think there were 3 cameras? And we had 492 comments. 3 front cameras, sole recognition, duh. All right, guys, Don't make me laugh. I can't laugh right now, but yes, that was hilarious. Those 3 cameras are there to have a better view of what manufacturers are doing right, and Google is missing. Tell them to use binoculars too. All right, guys. So Diego told me that the script was hilarious this week because of those comments. Yeah, I get it. All right, the notch deserves its own zip code. Sheesh. All right. Yes, again, there are rumors that the notch is fake, that this whole design is not going to happen, that Google is just pushing this out to hide whatever it is that is really working on. I really hope so. There is nothing symmetrical about this film, but oh my god, Google has proven me wrong in the past, so we definitely will see. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you so much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, number 1, keep them short. Number 2, stick to the point. Number 3, try to get some thumbs up. It helps us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow me on social media and subscribe to our channel as well for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.